Vacuum Pro V2. It has 3 suction levels. I just decided just to use the third one because it really got in there. And I'll just quickly show you how strong it actually is, especially on the third level. You can see that it really gets in there. So yeah, I really love this one. It's really pretty, really comfortable, really effective, and it feels like something that you'd actually perhaps use if you were to go to get a facial done at a spa. It's really professional and I love it. So yeah.